Hello and welcome to our Healthy Snacks and Treats series. Today we're making a healthy version of a peanut butter egg. With just 3 ingredients, we transform the traditional peanut butter egg into something that's healthy and satisfying. This is one of those recipes I feel like is a cheat code to having something that's very satisfying but with nutritional value. So you're going to do a cup and a quarter of this PB Fit peanut butter powder. I use this a lot in my shakes. So it's going to be, and it smells just like peanut butter without all the fat. So we're going to do that. Kind of made a little mess here. And the other secret ingredient here is applesauce. And this is 1/3 cup. And we're just gonna, you want a nice sturdy spoon for this. You're gonna just mix these 2 ingredients together. Be patient. This will take a few minutes to come together. It'll take on the consistency of the inside of a peanut butter egg. Okay, so I ended up having to mix it with my hands. The spoon worked pretty good, but I felt like for it to get to the right consistency, you kind of have to pull it together like you would meatballs almost. So I just put a little piece of saran wrap down and I kind of shaped it in a circle. And then you're gonna take these and you're gonna divide it into 8 pieces. Okay, and then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna take each piece and you're gonna roll it into a ball. And this consistency is really, really good. It's kind of like cookie dough. So you're gonna just roll all these into balls and then I'll be right back. Okay, as you can see, each of these is about the same size. That's exactly what you want. You're gonna have 8 servings of this. And I'm gonna put this in the fridge so that it can firm up a little bit before I put the chocolate on. Okay, I am back and I have chilled this for about 30 minutes and I tried to shape in the shape of an egg, but I'm not very crafty, so this is what I get. And then I took about 3/4 of a cup of dark chocolate. You could also use milk, but I like to use dark to try and make this even a little bit more healthy. So then I'm just going to drop this in the chocolate and I'm going to coat it. Let me grab my little spoon here. You want it to be evenly coated. Welcome back. I just pulled this out of the fridge and cut it in half. And you can see it actually looks like one. I am actually very surprised. I'm going to give it a little taste. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe this filling has applesauce in it. And this is really, really good. The texture is like the peanut butter eggs from Easter or the Christmas trees with the more filling and less chocolate. Wow, it's 100 calories. It is 2 grams of sugar. Hang on a minute. 107 calories, 8 grams of protein, and 9 net carbs. So this is a pretty darn good healthy treat. So I hope you enjoyed this segment. I'll see you tomorrow.